Hi everyone. Today our topic is this is our topic how to test REST API request in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, you need to test the REST API request in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, first I need to open the JMeter. This is my E folder and this is the Apache JMeter 5.4.1. I will go to the bin folder and open the JMeter. Okay, this is the JMeter. You need to first of all you need to add the under test plan, add the thread group. Under thread group, go to add, go to sampler, select the HTTP request. Under thread group you need to add the view results tree. Okay, this is enough. This is totally REST API na? You need to test directly through HTTP request only. And before versions means it's a 3.0 or another 3.2, the type of version there is another request also is available. So for XML RPC request, that time you need to test to the any API, any REST API request in HTTP request is one way you need to test it, and the same URL you need to provide it the in Super XML RPC request. Now you can simply you need to able to test, but that one is deprecated, but that the request is available only 3.0 version only. Okay, now is already 4.5.1 na? Sorry, 5.4 na? It's not available that one, but I need to test directly through HTTP request only. You need to test the REST API request. Okay, first of all you need to open any one browser. You can search the I will go to which one, whether REST API. Okay, whether REST API. I need to go that location. This is the first URL. Weather API. Open weather map. Okay, weather details will provide at this one. This site. Okay, this site everyone you know. Most of the people. Okay. First of all, you need to log in this one. After you need to sign in this page. Example, I am already signing. You can see I am already signing this all the things. Okay. Just very simple. You need to sign in. After I will select this one, current weather data. Okay, current weather data only. I will select API documents. Yeah, it's open that one, current weather data. Okay, you can see in example API dot openweathermap.org slash data slash 2.5 slash weather colon q is equal to city name and app id is equal to API key will provide it. This API key you need to generate this place. I will show you that one also. I will take into the, you can take anything you need to test. You can provide the one city name. Example city name is London or UK or New Delhi. Example Tamil Nadu or Chennai, Bangalore, anything you need to provide. And API key you need to provide the valid. Okay. Example, mm, okay. I will take this one. Open the any one browser and you need to enter that one and go to your site. You can see I am already signed in this page. It's a very simple also sign in also. I will go to my API keys. This is today only I generated this API key. Copy that one. Under API key you need to paste. Okay, there is a response will became na. In same only example, this is London, I am staying in Chennai. Yeah, in Chennai also same response will became na. You can copy this URL. Yeah, you need to paste any one notepad. Okay, you need to divide that one. In SOAP XML RPC request, there is a option is available, URL. Okay, you need to directly, you can provide entire URL, you need to provide, and you need to test that one. It's a simple way tested, but that request is deprecated na. In HTTP request you need to test different way. First of all, you need to, everything you needs to divided. I will take HTTP request is the protocol until org. This is the API. API means is the IP address of the that application. Until backward slash to weather. This is the path. Q is good Chennai is the city location name, and this one is the app ID. Okay, app ID is the very important. Okay, without app ID means that API key it's not work anything. Okay, everything is provided na. Now we need to go to JMeter. He already added test plan, thread group, HTTP request, view results tree. Now how we need to provide na? You can copy this one HTTPS method. In JMeter this is HTTP by default, this is HTTPS. You need to paste. This is the IP address, server name or IP. You need to provide this place. To go to, this is the path. To provide the path. Okay, this is Q will provided. You can go to JMeter. You need to add one row will be added. Name is Q. City is the Chennai. Add another row. Go to this one is the app ID. App ID means it's a API key ID, that one identification purpose. This is the main key. Okay, all the details you need to provide and you need to save that one. REST API underscore 1. You can save that one. Now you need to test. Okay, just you need to run, it's a single test, it's a just demo purpose only. I will show you how we need to give all the details. Yeah, it's a success and you need to get the response. Okay, it's done that one. This is the way you need to test the REST API request. Okay, but this example this all the data now in developer teams only will provided, but you need to understand how the REST API request will be came, and the people how we need to return, what are the issues will be came, and what are the details you need to parameterize, and the JSON bodies will be came. Okay, this all the things you need to learn one by one in API testing. I means that is SOAP file or REST file. Okay, sometimes you need to provide the request to in JMeter, there is some problem. Okay, that time you need to analysis that one. Okay, all the times you don't tell to developers only. Okay, you have really problem, there is no other chance you need to solve that one. That time you can interact to the development team. Means you also you need to get some knowledge how the people will be developed. That time only you able to do successfully in performance testing and without dependency. Okay, This is the first way, REST API testing, and it's done that one. This is the way only you need to do. Example, you can go to thread group. I will give 10 users now. Save that one and you need to run. Yeah, it's working. There is no any issue for the working side. REST API side is working very good. Okay, this side will completed everything. Now you need to go to, okay. Guys, you need to remember this sign in is not a big deal. You need to easily, you need to log in and you need to sign in these pages. Okay, example, I'm log out to this one. Okay, you need to create any account now. Just you need to create an account. Okay, you can create an account. Just you need to provide your username, email, and password. Okay, just you agree to our terms and conditions, and just click on I am not a robot and create account. Okay, the simple steps only will be create the account. Okay, once account is created now, example, I log in now. Okay, okay. In first of all, how you need to open the API keys means you can go to your account. This is my account. Go to my API keys. Once you need to register after my API keys, you need to open. And there is a key, create a key. You can provide the API key name. Now only I generated New Delhi 1. This is the API key. You can give any one name and click on generate, will generate it. But remember guys, once this API key once is generated, you need to activation only will take around 30 minutes to 1 hour will be taken. Okay, most of the people what you will do now, you need to generate it and immediately the people will be using. It's showing to the invalid API key. That type of error will be came. Okay, that reason once you need to generate this API key, you need to wait some time based on your internet capacity and the speed based only. Uh, this one will be generated and this key in open weather map site will be activated. You need to take some time. Okay, once the key is activated, around will take 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour will be taken. It's my based on my internet, it's very slow. Okay, maybe you are the people will be take around 20 minutes to 30 minutes will be activated. Okay, once activation only the key will be working. Okay, once you need to generate immediately you need to use now, it's not working. Just you need to remember that point. Okay, yeah, that's all guys, this video. This is the site open weather map. You will provide the map weather details only. I logged out this site. Okay, yeah, this is the video. This topic, it's completed that one. How to test REST API request in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, I will connect to the next video and I will explain the how to test the SOAP API request in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much, bye.